Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little bit more of a tough one because I was recently reached out to by one of my really good friends, and she let us know that her older brother is going to be passing away soon. And with that, she asked if I could give him a ride in my car because he said that one of his last dying wishes was to go for a ride in a really fast car, a race car. And so of course I said yes. I'm absolutely honored to help someone achieve their final wish, one of their final wishes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop in the R8, we're gonna drive over to their house, I'm gonna meet him, we're gonna go for a ride, and you know, fingers crossed that this is exactly what he's looking for. Let's go. All right, we're here. Let's go inside, let's go meet him. Let's go make his wish come true.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm
good.
good.
Meet my brother.
Yes, I would love to. Is it okay, like filming, recording, we're all good?
He's totally happy with it.
Awesome.
It's my friend Jeff.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
Bill.
So good to meet you, Bill.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, great to meet you.
Forward to it.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Hey, bud.
My name is Steven.
It's what?
Steven.
Steven? That sounds like such a big kid name.
It is. Thanks for doing this for me, Jeff.
You're welcome.
This is my brother Bill. I want to tell a little story about my brother Bill.
Okay.
My brother Bill, we had some shit parents, and parents fell off the deep end and would do all kinds of stuff like take off for weeks at a time, not say anything. And instead of going to a foster home, my brother Bill would take me in, even though he was not much more than a kid yourself.
Yep.
And he took care of me. You were always there for me when I needed somebody. Helped me take care of my boy when he didn't have a dad.
The speed we trust.
Yep. And his time on earth is limited now, but we know a little bit, you know, we got a little bit of time. And so it was really important to me to see my brother smile real big, because he deserves it.
This is my bucket list, one of my bucket list items.
Go hella fast. Have fun, brother.
All right.
Have fun.
Okay.
I'm
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go do it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. Kids give the best reactions.
Right? They're so honest about it.
Yeah.
Look
Sheepey
at that.
days.
Steven, look at that.
Bigger than them on the sheepy days. And
What is it?
the
Oh, yeah, that's
everything.
cool.
There's
The
the motor.
everything of it.
That's where the engine is.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you guys gonna go drive?
I don't know.
You don't know.
We're
All
just
right.
we're gonna wing it. We're
All
gonna
right.
go where the road takes us.
All right.
That's right.
I think they'll give us a free pass.
Well, if you
I'll
don't
pull,
get
the,
it-
I'll pull the cancer card.
He's got you. He's got
There you go.
That's true. You got the cancer card right here, so maybe they'll even light it up for you so you can go.
Let's see if we can make that happen too.
Right.
Cool. All right.
I'm
Well, let's
ready.
hop in
All right,
and have some fun.
Have fun. I love you.
I love you too. Bye, Steven.
Isn't this the guy you wanted to meet?
What's that?
The song? Isn't this the guy you wanted to meet?
That's the guy here.
Just look. He's got there. You just met him? That's so crazy. So one of your wishes was to meet the lead singer from Tesla. We hop in my car and a song from Tesla is on, and the name of the song is called Signs. That is blowing my mind right now.
Yep.
Wow.
Wow.
That is so crazy.
That is crazy.
Oh my god.
to get inside.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
It is.
Sign says everybody welcome. Come in, kneel down and pray. Then the pass around the plate and give it up. And I didn't have a penny to pay.
like whenever I do like ride-alongs in my car, I don't usually have the radio on, but for some reason, I just put it on. That's so weird. My mind is just blown right now. That's so crazy.
Yeah, I used to race out of Roseville in the mini stock for like 5 years.
At the Roseville Raceway?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I actually went there for the first time like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, I used to race a Datsun 510.
Oh, no way. Nice. Oh, that's so cool. I can picture it now.
Got stolen.
Oh, that's
So they
sucks.
stole the trailer and everything. Never could find it.
This is a good straight road, so I'll just put some space between us and the car in front of
There you
us.
Oh, yeah. Shit, yeah. Awesome. Awesome. And you know what's weird?
Huh.
Is I'm in constant pain all the time. I don't feel a damn thing right now.
Really? Oh my god, that's
I
amazing.
don't feel a damn thing right now. And it's pain.
What kind of pain is it?
It's on my pancreas. Pancreas cancer.
Oh, I see. And so
So it's right at the tail end. And at one point in time, I would qualify for the surgery for them to go in and remove it.
yeah.
And then where we was working in Oregon, we were managing a motel. We lived there and worked there too, and hired us as a team since I couldn't work anymore. Fired us.
Oh wow.
There goes our place to live, everything. And we had one of our daughters and 2 granddaughters living with us at the time. So I missed 2 of my treatments.
Oh
My
gosh.
numbers shot way out the roof now. I don't qualify for it anymore. We went from 200 to 2,000 in just 2 treatments. I tried that chemo. The chemo was worse.
That was
Infinitely
worse. Yeah, I can only imagine.
Lost over half my body weight in 6 months.
Oh my gosh.
Went down from 200 to 125 pounds.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's tough. I mean, those treatments can be just as hard on the body too.
Yeah, because they tried going at it aggressive as possible because I'm only 54, so they figured they
Okay.
could go at it aggressively, but
Yeah.
it was just too much.
Yeah.
As soon the last time I went for it, as soon as they, I have a port right here,
Oh, okay.
and as soon as they hooked me up to that port with that chemo last time, I was throwing up everywhere, shit. It was terrible.
Yeah, that
Terrible.
sounds horrible.
And that's when I made the decision. I'm just gonna ride it out. I'm just gonna go see my family, try to get a few things done, because a lot of people don't get the jump on it, you know,
Right.
to be able to go out and say goodbay to everybody.
Yeah.
Because they don't catch it in time. Well,
Yeah.
I caught it in time, so I can at least do that. So that's what I'm doing.
And so what's the whole thing with like, so you did qualify and then you didn't qualify? Was it just because
Because the numbers now it's big.
what numbers? Like what does that mean?
It's called markers, your cancer markers,
Okay.
and that's basically that's all I know about it.
Okay.
My girlfriend, she's been, because I can't remember everything. There's so
Okay.
many appointments and
Yeah. So basically, if your markers are too high, then
Yeah.
you're not within the scope or whatever to qualify.
right.
I see.
And at 200 I was. And yeah, missing those treatments, you screw everything up. So.
Wow. probably shouldn't terrorize the neighborhood too much.
Awesome.
Can you like bring your smile down a little bit?
You're not even gonna believe.
You're drooling a little bit, brother.
I'll let him tell you the story.
Oh yeah,
Kiss
so
yourself?
So when we get in the car to leave,
craziest thing happened. Swear to God.
listen to this.
So we get in the car here. Let me get a better angle. Okay. So we get in the car to leave. Make sure I got everyone. And we go out here and we get to the light. And I don't usually, or the stop sign. I don't usually have my radio on, but I turned it on for some reason. And I turn it on, and the song that's on the radio
It's Tesla.
is Tesla,
Signs.
and it's the song "Signs."
Get out of town.
And it.
Oh my God.
I don't even know what to say. Like I
Wow.
was
That
so
was random.
what?
Super random.
It's super random. Just turn on the radio. And that's
Yeah, I was just on the. It wasn't like
Yeah.
It wasn't like
it was the radio.
it was the radio.
You didn't plan that.
Yeah, I didn't plan that
Yeah,
whatsoever.
plan the radio.
Wow.
It was so crazy. It was such a crazy thing that like, yeah,
That's so
So
cool.
how fast did you go?
the speed
Ella?
limit.
Of course.
Yeah.
We went the speed limit
The whole time.
the whole time.
We had that up to 140.
Yeah, that's what he was telling me. We didn't have like clear enough roads to actually like.
Not
That
like
was
we
Friday
did.
traffic.
Yeah, Friday traffic. Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm sure they accelerated.
Yeah. Hey, that was good times.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Check
That's how my life goes, though.
No, that was
weird.
the song thing. Like, what is this? Like the 5th time referencing it, and it's just like, oh my God.
was crazy.
We get in the car, and I'm like, wait a minute.
The guy that you just met, isn't this the band that he was just? I said, yo.
On the radio.
On the radio.
Yeah.
On the radio, and that was so random. It was that station. It was that band at that
Let me
moment.
see if I can get my
That
camera
means
to
something.
focus on it.
That's not
There
just
we
an
go.
accident.
I'll send this to
Sign
you.
and
Okay.
here's your sign.
But
You
Song
can
that
mix it
came on
into
the radio,
Fine.
they
video.
said sign.
but
I can't
basically,
wait to film
Here's your
he met the
sign.
lead singer
you
of
recording
Tesla.
that?
Yeah, I'm recording the picture. That's so cool.
that. As part of his bucket list.
Yeah. Can we just take a minute? Because that was pretty heavy. That might have been one of the coolest things I've ever done. I mean, I've never really had anyone reach out and be like, this is my dying wish. And like, you're the guy that can make that happen. There's such like a heaviness to that, and like, I don't know, when he was sitting there and he was telling me that this was such an amazing day, it's hard to put it into words, but like, I'm just glad that I was able to do it. I'm glad that, you know, when my friend had reached out and, you know, was asking her social media if she knew people who could make these things happen, I'm just glad that I was someone who was in that position who could make this happen. I don't know the feeling. It's really hard to explain the feeling, and I'm trying to like convey that through this video, but I just feel like honored and happy. Like, I'm happy that I was able to do it. I'm honored. It was my pleasure, and I just feel really good about the situation.